Jared Leto, the ageless Hollywood actor and rock musician, has captured the world's attention with his seemingly eternal youthfulness. Despite being 51, Leto maintains the appearance of someone half his age, earning him the playful nickname of the modern-day Dorian Gray. But what is the secret behind Leto's age-defying allure? The secret lies in a strict regimen that blends physical fitness, mental wellness, and a deep connection with nature. As the model of ageless vitality, Leto's approach offers a beacon of hope for anyone looking to turn back the clock without using a surgical blade. Jared Leto's ability to defy the aging process is not mysterious. Instead, it arises from his profound realization and transformative choices. While many may wonder about his youthful looks, Leto openly acknowledges the internet's fascination with his ageless image. His journey to maintain a youthful experience didn't happen overnight. It developed over time, shaped by his past experiences and exploration. Despite his iconic portrayal of a drug addict in Requiem for a Dream, Leto has abstained from alcohol and cigarettes for over 2 decades, a choice that reflects a profound shift in lifestyle and mindset. This decision wasn't made lightly, but emerged from a pivotal moment of self-reflection, where Leto questioned whether his habits aligned with his long-term aspirations and desires. Leto's journey is a testament to the power of self-reflection and discipline. He recognized that indulging in alcohol and nicotine would lead him towards something other than the fulfillment of his dreams and ambitions. The foundation of Leto's age-defying regimen is this crucial decision, which demonstrates the life-changing power of sacrifice and dedication to healthy living. His ability to break free from societal norms and embrace a lifestyle that aligns with his goals underscores his unwavering determination and mental strength. Furthermore, Leto's journey highlights the importance of prioritizing long-term well-being over short-term pleasures. His choice to give up drinking and cigarettes came from a deep-seated desire to live a purposeful and fulfilling life, rather than from trends or social pleasure. By saying no to toxic substances, Leto set the stage for a holistic approach to agelessness that encompasses physical, mental, and emotional well-being. His journey serves as a potent reminder that age-defying allure isn't just about external appearances, but is rooted in the choices we make and the values we uphold in our daily lives. Building upon the foundation of clean living, Jared Leto emphasizes 2 essential elements in his age-defying routine: sleep and meditation. Leto considers getting enough sleep a necessary part of his lifestyle. Even with his hectic schedule as an actor and singer, he recognizes that adequate rest is essential for physical rejuvenation and vital for maintaining overall health and a youthful appearance. Leto views getting enough sleep as a way to recharge and essential to maintaining excellent health and a young appearance. Understanding the challenges of achieving restful sleep within the demands of his tight schedule, he turns to meditation. However, Leto's meditation isn't confined to a quiet room with dim lights. He often practices outdoors, connecting with nature and sometimes going to extremes, like isolating himself in the desert for up to 2 weeks. This remarkable commitment to mindfulness and solitude underscores his dedication to holistic rejuvenation. Through his disciplined approach to sleep and meditation, Leto shares a refreshing simplicity. His presence for meditating outdoors and nature showcases his dedication to agelessness and his genuine appreciation for activities promoting peace and serenity. These practices contribute significantly to his overall well-being. Leto's path to agelessness extends into his dietary choices, reflecting a remarkable level of discipline and consciousness about his diet. Leto has adhered to a primarily vegan diet for over 2 decades, refraining from meat, dairy products, and commonly used ingredients like salt and sugar. His daily food choices testify to his commitment to clean, plant-based eating. Leto's typical day starts with a glass of water infused with lemon, praised by many health enthusiasts for its detoxifying effects. He often enjoys pineapple juice with ginger and mint, a combination rich in vitamins and antioxidants, for breakfast. At lunchtime, Leto prefers a nutritious salad of tomatoes and asparagus, complemented by celery and spinach, aiming to satisfy hunger while nourishing his body with essential nutrients. In the afternoon, he opts for a refreshing mix of celery, cucumber, and apple puree, accompanied by grapefruit juice to maintain energy levels. As the dinner approaches, Leto enjoys a smoothie of beet and apple with greens, adding 4 teaspoons of honey for sweetness. This selection reflects his focus on maintaining a well-rounded and nutritionally balanced diet throughout the day. Despite his strict adherence to a vegan diet, Leto humorously refers to himself as a cheating vegan, acknowledging occasional indulgences. He admits that if someone offered him a homemade cookie or found wild salmon in Alaska, he wouldn't hesitate to indulge. This flexibility underscores the importance of balance in dietary choices, reminding us that discipline is essential, but occasional indulgences can also be enjoyed in moderation. Jared Leto's age-defying journey extends beyond a diet plan and mindfulness to a vigorous commitment to physical activity. He isn't just an actor and musician, he's a sports enthusiast with a deep passion for an active and fit lifestyle. In a world where many struggle to make it to the gym a few times a week, Leto embraces fitness as an integral part of his daily life, making it more than just a chore. Leto's love for outdoor physical activities is evident in his preference for exercises that connect him with nature, giving him a unique sense of calmness. Cycling, one of Leto's favorite activities, showcases his commitment to cardio and enjoyment from being on the move. Whether paddling through the streets of Los Angeles or along a secluded mountain track, Leto's passion for cycling shines through. Beyond cardio, Leto is a fan of weight training, pushing himself to physical limits to maintain his chiseled physique. His participation in triathlons underscores his endurance and determination to excel in diverse athletic pursuits. Rock climbing and scaling tower formation in places like Yosemite National Park display his strength and agility. Leto's dedication extends to regular yoga practice, contributing to flexibility and inner calm. Incorporating yoga into his routine highlights his holistic approach to fitness, ensuring a balance between strength, endurance, and mental well-being. The emphasis on outdoor activities and isolation retreats in nature underscores Leto's belief in the healing power of the natural world, providing a holistic rejuvenation for both body and mind. In Leto's journey towards age-defying allure, the pursuit of dreams emerges as a central theme. He emphasizes the significance of chasing one's dreams relentlessly, regardless of the obstacles or societal expectations. Leto's own life is a testament to this philosophy as he navigates between his acting and music careers with unwavering passion and determination. For Leto, pursuing dreams isn't just a fleeting desire, but a driving force that shapes every aspect of his life. He sees each day as an opportunity to create, express, and live life to the fullest, refusing to be confined by conventional norms or limitations. This relentless pursuit of his dreams fuels his youthful spirit and keeps him eternally young. Leto's mantra perfectly encapsulates this philosophy. Do never ask for permission to follow your dreams. Follow them no matter what. He believes that individuals are the authors of their stories and are responsible for making their dreams a reality. By embracing this philosophy, Leto exemplifies that age is not a barrier to living passionately and purposefully. The key to Leto's age-defying success lies in his physical regimen and steadfast dedication to pursuing his dreams with unwavering passion and commitment. Leto's journey serves as a source of inspiration for others, encouraging them to embrace their dreams wholeheartedly and live life with purpose and passion. In Jared Leto's age-defying routine, maintaining a balanced approach is essential to his overall well-being. Despite his hectic schedule, Leto prioritizes a holistic lifestyle, encompassing physical health, mental wellness, and emotional fulfillment. His approach to fitness goes beyond physical exercise. It involves a deep connection with nature and outdoor activities like cycling, rock climbing, and yoga. Leto maintains his physical health and finds inner peace and tranquility by engaging in these activities, contributing to his ageless allure. Moreover, Leto's dietary choices reflect his commitment to a balanced and nourishing diet. While he follows a primarily vegan diet, he allows occasional indulgences, recognizing the importance of enjoying life's pleasures in moderation. Additionally, Leto emphasizes the importance of mental and emotional well-being through meditation and mindfulness. These practices help him manage stress, clear his mind of negative thoughts, and maintain a positive outlook. By striking a balance between physical fitness, mindful eating, and emotional well-being, Leto represents the idea that true age-defying comes from nurturing every aspect of one's being. His balanced approach serves as a reminder that achieving ageless allure requires discipline, dedication, flexibility, self-care, and a holistic approach to health and wellness. The story of Jared Leto's age-defying lifestyle is more than just a celebrity story. It's a call to action. It challenges the conventional wisdom that youth fades with time, offering instead a vision of life where age is but a number and vitality is a choice. Leto's journey from a troubled youth to a symbol of eternal youth proves that the secret to agelessness doesn't lie in cosmetic enhancements, but in a commitment to a life well lived. So forget the facelift. As Jared Leto shows us, the true fountain of youth flows through the heart of our daily lives, our choices, our passions, and the harmony we cultivate within ourselves and the world around us. If you found Jared Leto's age-defying secrets inspiring, don't keep it to yourself. Share this wisdom with your friends and loved ones. For more remarkable stories and inspiration, subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for more age-defying insights and tips. Thank you for watching.